Welcome to this infraWizard tutorial series brought to you by CAD Valley. In this series, I'll be walking you through everything you need to know to set up your utility networks project on infraWizard and perform all design operations until you produce the final CAD drawings and BIM model of your networks. In this first video, I'll tell you what infraWizard is and what design tasks you can do with it. In the coming videos, I'll be explaining in detail the features of every module in infraWizard. Now, let's take a minute to know what infraWizard is. infraWizard is an AutoCAD add-in. It works basically on AutoCAD, but if you run it on Civil 3D, you'll enjoy some extra functionality as you can utilize Civil 3D surfaces to define the ground levels of your networks and draw the ground line in longitudinal profiles directly from them. infraWizard is a tool for smart and simple geometric modeling of pipe networks. Using it, you can do three main design tasks. The first of them is checking the interference or crossing points between networks. For example, in this project, I have 4 networks. I can see every crossing point between a couple of pipes. The crossing annotation infraWizard creates gives information about the 2 crossing pipes and the net clearance between them, so that you can identify the problematic points very quickly and solve them by editing your networks. One thing that makes the crossing feature very efficient is that infraWizard updates these crossing annotations instantly while you're working with your networks. The second task, which used to be a very time-consuming one, is drawing longitudinal profiles of pipelines and sewer lines. For example, I've created a profile for this pipeline here. It's very informative, well-formatted, and shows the crossing pipes of the other networks as well. And you can get tens of profiles drawn in a few seconds using infraWizard's automatic profile detection. We'll have like 2 or 3 videos talking about profiles only in this series, as there's a lot of things to do with them. The third task you can carry out using infraWizard is the production of 3D BIM models of your networks, and this is done with a simple export. In the tutorial video of BIM feature, I'll show you how to produce this model and how to import it to Navisworks so it can merge into your project's integrated BIM model. In the next couple of videos in this series, you'll learn more about creating infraWizard projects and the different functions of infraWizard ribbon commands. I look forward to seeing you then.